Oh boy.
Whoa.
Okay, I lost. I got my stuff all going already. Let's see, I will this way. All right, I'm ready. Should we get up?
All right, hold on just a sec here. Let me just do my call off. There we go. All right.
Oh, wait a second. I forgot to plug in my head tracker.
Oh, yeah.
I was sitting there, I was trying to turn my head. I'm like, all right, well, I know it points straight when I don't do anything. Yeah, that's like the whole reason. Well, it's good to know that if something disconnects, it will default to straight ahead.
I love that.
Yeah. Okay, now that we got that, and we'll go a little like this. We should go like this. All right, I'm ready. Am I ahead of you?
Yeah, I'm behind you.
Okay, well, I will get up and going then.
All right. I'll follow your pattern.
Okay. Nice. I just want to get something nice and easy to start here. We'll just cycle around.
All right.
Yep, I've got full wing aileron. I see you.
I'm following you.
Nice. And I do have the 360 cam rolling.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm just gonna do a nice low pass here. All right, let's keep, I'm gonna cut back through the middle of the field.
Yeah.
And maybe get a little more aerobatic with it.
Nice.
I just turned and looked and I saw you flying. I was like, oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, here I can get ahead of you and then.
Yeah, I'll keep circling clockwise and. Oh, yep, I see you.
Yeah.
All right, do your thing.
I'm over here, figure 8.
Yep, I got you.
Tight turn there. Down low here. Hey, what's up, Joe? I just saw him in our video.
Nice.
I gotta get my prop too then. Hey, you still had tail heavy.
Me?
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Let me trim it. Okay, now trim's good.
Oh, you guys pretty close.
Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm behind you, back right.
Okay.
Yeah,
oh, wind just like back gusts.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're not. Yeah, you got tail heavy for sure.
CG for sure, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I should probably add some more weight then, because I'm still bobbing about.
Yeah.
But I'm on the right track. This is way more flyable than usual. Should we go up high a little
Look
bit?
at John.
Yeah.
John is like, he's like
Stable.
He's like very balanced.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've had too many incidents where I didn't center of gravity balance it at all, and that makes it less fun.
Yeah.
Everybody gone through that.
Yeah, I'm behind you to the left.
You'd be like,
Okay.
all right, these planes are good, made
Oh, I
perfect,
see.
right? That's it.
Yeah.
Gonna go inward.
Yep.
RF signal low.
You could go ahead of me. I'm gonna slow down.
Okay.
Over here.
Oh, I think.
Oh,
Is
I
it?
see you. Yeah.
I'm coming in low. I think I'm gonna land here actually.
Okay. I'm still at 15.1 for
Okay.
telemetry. I'm gonna record you. Yeah, it's still like I could not see my wing. Alright, I'm gonna land.
Oh, we're good. Am I tilted? Oh yeah. Let's see. Yep, I'm just gonna leave it there. Let's see. Where are you? I think my wheel I think is bent in a little bit, which is just, well, it's just my fault. I can go grab it if you're gonna land.
Oh no, you go ahead. I'll stay in the air.
Okay.
Alright.
I gotta get a chair.
Oh, did you not bring one?
You didn't see? Your whole time is like you trying to balance it.
Yeah. It's like my nose is always up over my, yeah. Alright, we're good?
Yeah, that's incredible.
I like that. You know what? Maybe I should set up we just have a prop day or you know, a jet day.
Yeah. Oh, I guess I didn't record that. Nice.
Sure.
Nice. Oh, super cool. And normally my landing gear is so bulky that I can handle those, but I kind of landed at an angle and it just folds in. I mean, it just folds right back out. But I was like, oh, I can just turn around, and it was sitting like just gunk, whatever. But now it's back to fine. See, mine does the same thing. I was sitting here and that one is just freaking out. It's like no. Yeah. My arms are like vibrating from using the weed whacker. I'm sitting here and they're just like, just a slight like
vibration.
It's like I know I'm not nervous about flying these because this one's super easy to fly. Yeah. I was trying to think like, why are my arms shaking? I just use the weed whacker. Okay, just.
Do you have SD card on board too?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay.
I use that one for the main recording just because it's so cool.
Yeah,
all right, I'm going to, let's see, full flaps. I've got AS3X. All right, I'm gonna let her rip. You ready?
Yeah. Gust coming in here.
Woo! 3 minutes. Let's see, is that safe out there? I'm AS3X. Cool. I don't think that wasn't really on purpose. I don't know. Yeah, it's a stall, and I don't know if my battery shifted just because this one doesn't have a Velcro, so I tried to like tie it in. So I wonder if it.
Man, that plane can slow right down.
Yeah, I'm flying with very low throttle. I'm over by us, kinda. I don't know where you went.
I'm right behind you.
Oh, okay, good. I didn't know if by doing that I accidentally lost you.
I'm following you.
See, I'm just gonna maybe take it low and around. Yeah. Is that beeping from me or you?
Yeah, I heard some beeping.
But I don't know if that's from me or you.
I don't know.
That's not my beep. I know my beep.
Okay.
I heard that sound like somewhere over there.
Yeah,
to my left. I mean, there's a beeper on my plane or on my system, but I don't know why it would be beeping. That's the fun part.
Yeah.
I'm gonna climb up.
Okay.
And then roll back and around. I'm gonna put on full safe, so I'm just gonna be putzing around. See if I can see you.
I'm in the middle of the soccer field in front of us. Here.
Okay, I'm trying.
I see you. Okay.
Okay, yeah, I'm just kind of cruising here.
Yeah, I see you over there.
Cause I've got full safe, so I'm. Oh, I see you. Oh, there you go. There you are. Nice.
Okay, yeah, this is way better and more stable now.
All right, I'm following you.
Okay, I'm low down here.
Yep, I'm right behind. I guess left behind if you want to be specific.
Yeah. Got the baseball diamond.
Oh yeah.
Heading for the straight. Ah, no touch. I wanted to touch and go.
More like bounce and go.
Bounce and go, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's the beeping again.
I want to know why though. No, I think it's from mine.
Yeah?
Because on my, I've got a little, what's it called? Little Beck board that takes in
Okay.
voltage and it splits off into 5 and 12 volts.
Okay.
So it beeps when it turns on, but I haven't gotten any issues. I just wonder if it's just not happy about something.
Yeah.
RF signal critical.
Where are you?
I'm right behind you still.
Oh, okay.
I just did a big roll as well. I want to know why it's beeping. For those of you who are curious at why it's beeping, let's take a look at the official documentation for the Maytech UBEC Duo that I'm using on this plane. Near the bottom, you'll see that there's a LiPo voltage alarm setting that you can set to 3.4, 3.5, all the way up to 3.7. That beeping is telling me that my battery is low. Back to the video.
Oh, nice.
Field goal the other way. Oh boy.
Whoa.
Okay, I lost.
Oh, I didn't see that. Over there. Right there.
I don't see it. Oh,
Yeah. What happened?
I just lost signal.
Oh.
Just completely, like it cut out. All right. Yeah. Didn't crack a lens or anything. It'll need some repairs. I don't know. I was flying behind you and then it wasn't like it went static. I think it just like lost battery or like it just completely ran out.
Yeah.
What the heck?
But I was only at like 3 minutes, and so I mean the battery's hot, but I don't know. It was just like it was on, off. Like
It just, it sounded like it was just like switch off, done. Like,
yeah, I don't know. I mean
everything's good.
It looks. I mean I'll have to remake everything, or re-put it together. But
Okay.
I've already done that before.
Okay.
But yeah, I really am. I'd love to see what happened because
Yeah, look back at the recording.
yeah. I mean the onboard recording, well, hopefully recorded.
The first thing I always look at is camera. Is it okay?
Yeah, the camera's fine, the gimbal's fine, 360 looks fine.
Okay,
it's just
good.
While things didn't exactly go to plan, as we did have a rapid unscheduled disassembly there at the end, the day stopped crashing as the day stopped flying, so we did still have a ton of fun, and we were flying with Pretend Pilot FPV, so make sure to check out his channel. We are collaborating with him on this video, and there's a thing on YouTube where you can collaborate with other people on video, so make sure to check out his channel as well, because we had a ton of fun. He was flying that extra 300 behind us. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. This has been Inverted Aviators RC. Stick around for the fix of this plane, as well as more projects that we had to all the different planes that we got. But again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to our members. You guys are the reason we're able to do these fun projects, and stick around for more videos like this.